Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, i-share ko lang sa inyo itong nabili kong Fresh Air Ultrasonic Aroma Humidifier with Himalayan salt lamp. Ito ang itsura niya. And I bought it at SM for 799 pesos. Ito yung mga health benefits daw niya. Air purifier siya. Eases stress, reduces allergy symptoms, better mood and energy, better sleep, and improves breathing. So far, ginagamit ko siya binili ko siya before Christmas. So today is January 22 already. So 1 month ko na siyang ginagamit. And ang napansin ko, it eases stress, better mood and energy, better sleep. Wala naman kasi akong problema sa allergy, so hindi ko test kung nag-improve na siya or nagre-reduce na siya ng allergies. So, ito niya guys. And meron na siyang kasama anong tawag dyan, charger. It actually is not a charger. Ito yung kanyang power, no? And ano ba yung itsura niya? Actual, no? I'm going to share it with you. Actually guys, nagkamali ako, nabasa siya, kaya parang nag-melt yung kanyang salt. Tingnan nyo yung salt niya. Parang may nagpumasok sa loob. So, sayang, no? Hindi dapat binabasa ito. Okay, so ayan yung kanyang actual na itsura, no? All you have to do is lagyan ng water until there, no? Yan yung maximum niya. Do not exceed water level. Ayan. Ang concern ko lang is parang hindi consistent yung paglabas ng mist dito. I don't know kung anong something wrong sa kanya. Kailangan kong itanong sa SM bakit nag-i-stop yung paglabas ng mist. Yeah. Kung meron kayong ganito guys at alam niyo kung bakit, please comment down below. So, ayan, capacity is 120 ml, working voltage is DC 24B, working currency 500 mAh, power 12 watts, spray amount 12 to 20 milliliter. Okay, merong iba't ibang available colors. Ayan. And, ito guys, nag-iiba-iba siya ng color. I'm going to test it. So, i-on natin siya guys. Okay, so ayan ang itsura niya. No? Meron iba't ibang klaseng colors. Okay. Okay, so tapos kung gusto nyo lumabas yung kanyang mist na may scent, press this one. Ayan. Kung makikita mo may magbabibrate sa kanya, and then yan yung mist niya. For maintenance, kailangan after 5 uses, kailangan mo siyang patuyuin. Kaya siguro nag-stop yung mist niya kasi hindi ko siya finalo yung kanyang maintenance na instruction. So, ayun guys, if you can see, it's very mabango, it's very relaxing, and lalo na kapag nakapatay ang ilaw, marirelax ka. Okay. So, that's it guys. Ito pala ang mga important safeguards. And maintenance. Ayun pala guys, so na-fix ko na yung function ng maintenance niya. You really have to dry it off after 5 uses, no, para hindi nag-i-stop yung mist na lumalabas. And ang bango-bango, and it is really very relaxing. Try nyo guys! Okay. Okay, so tapos kung gusto nyo lumabas yung kanyang mist na may scent, press this one. Ayan. Kung makikita mo may magbabibrate sa kanya, and then yan yung mist niya. For maintenance, kailangan after 5 uses, kailangan mo siyang patuyuin. Kaya siguro nag-stop yung mist niya kasi hindi ko siya finalo yung kanyang maintenance na instruction. So, ayan guys, if you can see, it's very mabango, it's very relaxing, and lalo na kapag nakapatay ang ilaw, marirelax ka.